Welcome to TechTone, and today I'm going to show you a trick to directly download Windows 10 latest version ISO file from the Microsoft Download Center really fast without using the Microsoft Media Creation tool, so that you can create your own bootable medium without getting any viruses or hidden keyloggers. Just open the Google Chrome browser, then search on Google as Download Windows 10. In the resource page, the first link will take you to the Microsoft Download Center. In the Download Center, you will only be allowed to download the Media Creation tool. But there's a trick to display the direct download link. It is to use a mobile web browser. In order to mimic a mobile web browser, we can use Google Chrome Developer Tools. To use Developer Tools, go to the menu and then on More Tools, Developer Tools. Then just click on this Toggle Device button to switch the mobile view and refresh the page. Note that this only supports downloading the Windows 10 Home and Pro versions. For the edition, I'll use the latest major release at the time of the recording. And then you will be asked to select your preferred language from the list of the languages. I'll choose English International. Then you have to select between the 32-bit and 64-bit version. It depends on the architecture of your CPU. I'll select the 64-bit version as most of the modern CPUs are of 64-bit architecture. You can see the ISO file is being downloaded. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.